and welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad to see you guys on this video in this new year. I wish you guys a happy new year and happy holidays, and I hope that this new year brings you wonderful things in your lives. So guys, in today's trade we'll be trading with OTC pairs. These pairs appear during the weekdays and weekends and nights. So today, because it's a weekday and it's a holiday season, these pairs are available right now, so I'll show you how to trade with them. And also don't forget, I have a private chat in Telegram. You can join it. You just need to send me the code word money team via my Telegram link in the description box, and I'll add you to this team so you guys can be able to follow my trade and also be able to get some profit. And also guys, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to leave a like, don't forget to comment down below, and don't forget to share this video, and also don't forget to hit that notification button. So let's get into the trade. Hi everyone, so today is a day off and we'll be trading with currency pairs with OTC mark. These charts are generated by the platform itself and also can be the charts recorded for any period of time. So what the broker does, they broadcast these charts on weekends and night time, like when the stock exchange is closed, and also the usual currency pairs are not available, so they broadcast it at that time. And these currency pairs, they do not support fundamental analysis, but they only support technical analysis because it's quite applicable to them. So the broker will broadcast them at night time on weekends, so people can be able to trade during this time as well. So today is a weekend, so we'll trade with these currency pairs. So let's start our trade. So here we can see support level. Also there is a good downward movement. So I think we need to open a trade for down for 2 minutes, because I think the price will continue to move to this level and this level will be broken through. So let's check it and see. Well guys, it's excellent. As you can see, the price continued its movement down and broke through our level, and we are getting our profit. 2 minutes was enough here, so I think we need to continue to the next trade. Well, here we can see the support level. Also there is a very good downtrend going on. Price touched this level and bounced back up a little, so I think we need to open a 3-minute trade down, expecting downward movement to continue and the level will be broken through. So let's wait for the results and see. Well guys, it's very good. The price continued this movement to the support level and we had time to close our trade profitably, and time was enough here, so let's continue and find something interesting. Well guys, here we can see the similar situation. Also we can see that the downtrend and price touched this level and bounced back up a little, and after this there's a rollback. Downward movement is continuing to support level, so I'm thinking we need to open a 3-minute trade down, because I think we'll expect the level to be broken through and we'll collect our profit. So let's check it and see. Well, it's very good. After a small flat, downward movement continued and the level was broken through. We are getting brilliant profit. So I think let's continue and move to the next situation. Well guys, here we can see that there is a very good strong downward movement. Also we can see that support level here, and also that we can see price is sticking here. So I think we need to open a 1-minute trade down and wait for the results. Well, it's very good. As you can notice, the price impulsively broke through this level and went lower. We are getting wonderful profit and the time was enough. So let's move on to the next option. Well, here we can see support level, and also we can see that the price is moving to our level with very good confident candlesticks. So let's open a 2-minute trade down and wait for the end of our trade. It's very good, guys. After a small rollback up, the downward movement continued with very impulsive red candlesticks, and we had time to close our trade. So everything is going well. So I think let's continue to the next situation. So at the left of this chart, I can see the lowest point that touched the level. So returning to the right of the chart, you can see that there is a very good downtrend, and also there was a small rollback up. So I think in this situation we should open a trade for 5 minutes down, because I think that after the rollback up, price will continue to move down to support level and maybe break through the level. So let's wait for the end of the trade and see the results. Well, it's very good. The price really continued down, moving down to the support level, and we got our profits. So let's continue. Well, guys, here we are at this currency pair after a while, and the price hasn't approached our main level of support, and at the moment the price is starting to break through the level of support, and maybe it will continue moving to the main support level. So guys, I think we need to open a trade for 2 minutes with down and wait for results, because during this time I think the price will approach our main support level and we'll collect our profit. So let's wait and see. Guys, it's brilliant. As you can see, price continued moving to the main support level, and we have got very good profits, and my deposit is $2,800. So guys, let's continue and find our last trade. So let me find something interesting and we continue. So here we have a very good uptrend, and also higher there is resistance level, and I think that we should open a 3-minute trade up, because I think price will continue moving to this level. So let's check it and wait for the results and see. Well guys, it's excellent. As you can see, the uptrend continued and we are getting very good profit. 3 minutes was enough time here, so I think I will stop my trade here. So guys, as you saw, my trade was profitable. I managed to hit my goal, which is $3,700, though I estimated to get $3,000, but I managed to get $3,700, which means all the trades were profitable. So guys, you can be able to do this as well. OTC pairs are quite easy to trade with because you only need technical analysis, and you can be able to follow my trade. But to do that, you need to join my private Telegram channel. You need to send me the code word money team in the Telegram link in the description box down below, and I'll be able to add you to this team, so you can be able to copy my trading signals and be able to copy my trading charts as well, and be able to also get profit. So once again, I wish you happy new year and happy holidays. I wish this year to be a wonderful year for you. And guys, don't forget to leave a like, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to comment down below, and don't forget to share this video and hit that notification button. So until next time guys, bye bye.